Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy. Welcome to the Big Idea series where we answer curious questions for curious minds. What is a rainbow? A rainbow is one of nature's most captivating displays, an arc of brilliant colors stretched across the sky. But what exactly is a rainbow? Where does it come from, and why do we only see it under certain conditions? Let's explore the science and secrets behind this colorful phenomenon. A rainbow is a meteorological and optical phenomenon. It occurs when sunlight interacts with water droplets in the atmosphere. More specifically, a rainbow is formed through refraction, reflection, and dispersion of light inside those droplets. In simple terms, light enters a raindrop, bends, bounces inside, and comes back out, but split into different colors. To understand rainbows, we need to understand light. Sunlight may appear white, but it's actually a combination of many colors, the visible spectrum. This spectrum includes red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each color has a different wavelength, with red having the longest and violet the shortest. When white light passes through a medium like water or glass, it bends or refracts. Because each color bends by a slightly different amount, the light separates into its component colors. This process is called dispersion. Here's how a rainbow forms step by step. Refraction. Sunlight enters a water droplet in the atmosphere. It slows down and bends due to the change in medium from air to water. Reflection. Inside the droplet, the water reflects off the inner surface. Refraction again. The light exits the water droplet, bending a second time as it moves from water back into air. Each droplet sends out light at different angles depending on the wavelength. The most intense colors reach our eyes at an angle of about 42 degrees for red and 40 degrees for violet. Importantly, every droplet contributes only one color to the rainbow you see. The full arc is the result of countless droplets, each contributing a different color arranged by your perspective. Rainbows appear as arcs because of geometry. Light exits water droplets at specific angles, and our eyes perceive the rainbow only where those angles align. The result is a cone-shaped distribution of light with your eyes at the tip. If you could see the whole shape without the ground in the way, from an airplane for example, you'd see a full circle. Not all rainbows are the same. Here are a few types. Primary rainbow. The most common type, with red on the outside and violet in the inside. Secondary rainbow. Sometimes visible outside the main rainbow, it's fainter and has reversed colors. This forms due to two reflections inside the droplet instead of one. Supernumerary rainbows. Faint, closely spaced bands inside the primary arc caused by the wave nature of light. Fog bows, formed by very small water droplets, usually in fog. They appear white or faintly colored. Moonbows. Rainbows that appear at night, illuminated by moonlight rather than sunlight. They are rare and often faint. Rainbows appear when certain conditions are met. There must be sunlight. There must be water droplets in the air, often from rain, mist, or even waterfalls. The sun must be behind you, and the droplets must be in front of you. This is why we often see rainbows in the early morning or late afternoon when the sun is lower in the sky. The lower the sun, the higher the arc appears. Rainbows have inspired cultures around the world for thousands of years. In Norse mythology, the rainbow bridge, Bifrost, connects Earth to the realm of the gods. In the Bible, the rainbow is a symbol of peace and promise. Many indigenous cultures see the rainbow as a spiritual sign. While science explains how rainbows form, the beauty and symbolism they hold continue to spark imagination. Let's separate some myths from facts. Myth: there's a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Fact: a rainbow doesn't have a physical end. It moves with you. Myth: everyone sees the same rainbow. Fact: each person sees a unique rainbow from their own viewing angle. Myth: you can touch a rainbow. Fact: a rainbow is not a physical object. It's an optical illusion. A rainbow is a perfect blend of physics and beauty, a reminder of the hidden complexity behind the world's most familiar sights. The next time you spot a rainbow in the sky, remember, you're witnessing the interplay of light, water, and perspective, a scientific wonder painted by nature. Thanks for watching the Big Ideas series, where we answer curious questions for curious minds. As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.